Hello and welcome to taik18. I'm Ahmad Adnan, and in this video we are going to discuss about Power BI is coming everywhere. Yes, you heard it right. Power BI is going to come everywhere. It means it's going to come in Office applications. 2 days back they released a blog in blog.powerbi.com. The Power BI app is coming to Microsoft Outlook and Microsoft Office preview. It means, as everybody is aware, mostly is aware about that Power BI can access in Microsoft Team itself, right? So now they are going to bring the same functionality, same features in Outlook also. You can access Power BI in an Outlook as a separate tab in future. The rollout of these new capabilities has started for users enrolled in Microsoft 365 Targeted Release and Office Insider program. So the preview is already started and they are slowly rolling out to everyone. So as of now, it is only possible for Microsoft 365 Targeted Release and Office Insider programs. If you want this to make use of this beta release, the preview release, then you can just sign up for these two things. So as an example, how it will look like in future is basically, if you look at this one, this is an Outlook which is in Windows application, and on the left hand side if you see this one, there is an icon here of Power BI, and if you click on that, then it will give you this web experience of Power BI, how we are seeing it right now. And this is also for the same thing when you want to write an email, and if you want to attach something else, then also you have a functionality of you can add the Power BI report in the email itself, so that when the user receives this, if they click on that, then they will go to directly to this report in future. And also on the create page, when you want to create an Excel or Word document, usually in office.com, then here also you will get an option to create Power BI file, like how you can see this in this image here. So ideally they are just bringing this Power BI into a family of Office 365. So if you want to get the most of this one, so as I said, try this experience, join Microsoft 365 Targeted Release to try the Power BI app for Outlook for the web and Office.com. To try the experience in Outlook for Windows, join the Office Insider program and install Outlook for Windows from the beta channel. If you don't have any issues with your Office security and everything, then you can just try it out of this one. If it is not, so hopefully they are going to release this in coming months. So I hope you found this video helpful, and this is going to be an exciting feature that we can make use of Power BI adoption in everywhere to all the users in your organizations. If you like this video, just click on the big thumbs up button. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. But make sure you turn on the notification on your devices. Share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any queries and feedback, just post it on the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.